One human sneeze catapults 100,000 germs into the air, transforming an everyday act into a breathtaking microscopic show. As you watch the cloud of droplets explode in slow motion, each one carries a universe of potential impact, drifting invisibly through the air. Picture these tiny particles, a mere sneeze away, swirling through space at incredible speeds, landing on surfaces, and mingling with the air we breathe. The sneeze isn't just a reflex, it's a high-speed, germ-launching spectacle that occurs in milliseconds, yet its effects can linger much longer. This unseen ballet of biology unfolds around us, making every sneeze a powerful reminder of the invisible world we share and the intricate dance of life happening with every breath.